Question 2a, it says the diagram below shows the graph of the function f of x, and then we've got to, it says sketch the graph of the gradient function f prime x on the axis below. We won't do it, well, it says if we need to redraw it we can, but we won't. We're going to just draw it over here just so you can see one overlaid with the other, so you'll see how they compare. So first thing I'm going to do actually is notice it's a negative, so it's going to be a negative line. But what I'm going to do first of all is actually go ahead and well, I'm going to see if I can find the equation of this line. So it crosses at negative. That's 1, 2, 3. It's negative 3. This is going to be positing at cross 2, and that's 2, 4, 6. So it crosses there at 6. All right, so I'm sensing that's probably going to be x plus 3, x minus 2, and it's going to be negative. Does that work out? Well, 3 times negative 2, which is negative, is positive 6. So that is going to be the graph, yes? So I'll just put is equal to y, because I'll put the y on the other side. But now let's differentiate y with respect to x is going to equal, I'll put a negative out the front here. Well, actually, no. I'm going to expand it first. Let's go ahead and expand this thing. That would be a good move. So y is equal to negative, and that's going to be x times x is going to be x squared. What else we got here? We've got 3 times negative 2 is going to be negative 6. And I've got a 3x minus 2x is going to equal minus x, yeah? Oh wait, 3x minus 2x is going to be plus x, actually, plus x, there it is. Let's expand all that out. So y is equal to negative x squared minus x plus 6. So that is the expanded version of all that. Now let's differentiate and find the gradient function, which is negative 2x minus 1. There it is. So let's draw the graph of negative 2x minus 1. So it's going to be negative 1. That's our y-intercept. There's our negative 1. I'm now going to put in there negative 1 just so we've done that. And the gradient's going to be 1 along 2 down. Yeah, so negative 2. So it's going to be from here 1 along 2 down. 1 along 2 down. 1 along 2 down. 1 along 2 down. So the graph is going to look like that, yeah? I'll try and draw it as accurate as I can. We're going to try and get through, hit as many of those points as we can. So it should be like that, if it can be. Okay, here we go. Now they do like it when you do this to actually draw, she can't focus here, all the way through. Arrows on the end are absolutely vital, by the way. Don't have an arrow on this thing, which is unusual. I should probably throw arrows in there. There's the graph. Now we want to label the line as well. So this is in fact y is equal to negative 2x minus 1. And that is our answer. I think that's all they really want you to do. So hopefully that makes sense.